If your Spectrum router displays a solid blue light without an internet connection, it could indicate a system failure. This issue may stem from a simple system freeze or malfunction, which can often be resolved through a power cycle. To perform a power cycle, first, turn off the Spectrum router and unplug it from its power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds before powering it back on. Another potential cause for the solid blue light is excess cache in the router's software. This can overload the RAM and result in a poor connection. To address this, perform a hard reset on the device to clear the memory. Ensure the router is turned on, then locate the reset button at the back of the Spectrum router. Press and hold the reset button for approximately 30 seconds before releasing it. Allow the router to rest for about 30 seconds before powering it back on, and then wait an additional 2 minutes for it to sync. Thank you for watching.